Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arfanti Yulia Pratama. Here I will present my article entitled SAS Method with Interactive Flipbook to Improve Low Grade Beginning Reading Skill. Introduction. One of the fundamental skills that every individual must master is the ability to read. Reading skills are one of the important aspects of learning at the basic education level. Reading at the elementary school age level encourages the learning process of students. By reading, students will gain knowledge that is useful for the growth and development of their reasoning, social, and emotional abilities. The purpose of beginning reading in the lower grade is to recognize letters of the alphabet, vowels, and consonants, introduce syllables and sentence, and other reading the enter actual reading activities at the upper grade level. Based on observation of low-grade students at Pajang Tri Surakarta State Elementary School, Lawen Subdistrict Surakarta City, it appears that the majority of students in grades 1, 2, and 3 still experience difficulties in beginning reading. Students experience obstacles in remembering the shape of the alphabet, distinguishing vowels and consonants, difficulty in stringing letters or spelling words. Many factors influence the low level of student beginning reading skill, one of which is the use of reading media that is less interesting and motivating for students in low grades. The result of the interview show that teachers still have a conventional understanding of developing early reading skill in low-grade students. To overcome the problem is developing student reading skill, it is necessary to use interactive learning media and strategic learning method. One of the interactive learning media that can be developed to develop the beginning reading skill of low-grade student is media in the form of interactive flipbook oriented the SAS method. Research objective. Number one, to determine student skill in reading using the interactive flipbook-based SAS method. Number two, to explore the improvement of low-grade student beginning reading skill using the interactive flipbook basic SAS method. The results of this study are expected to contribute to the development of interesting and effective learning media and method to encourage students beginning reading skill at the elementary school level. Method. This research design uses a qualitative descriptive method through literature study. This research was conducted at SDN Pajang Tri Surakarta. The research subjects were the principal, homeroom teacher from grade 1 to grade 3 and 10 low grade students. Data collection technique using observation, interview, and documentation. The data analysis technique in this study uses a qualitative descriptive analysis method. The validity of the research by combining the result of data acquisition is complemented by the existence of theories from harmonious research. Result and discussion. Based on the analysis result from the figure above, that 20% or 2 out of 10 students have excellent beginning reading skill. The percentage shown that the two students obtain a very good level of interpretation achievement in which the two students were able to master four indicators consisting of recognizing, understanding, distinguishing, and pronouncing, each of which has certain aspect. The results show that the research conducted obtained an excellent average per indicator in a ratio of 1:5. Then, the good category obtained the highest percentage, with 50 or 5 students, and the good enough category with a percentage of 30% or 3 students. All categories include very good, good, and good enough categories obtained from the calculation of the average per indicator of the beginning reading skill of low grade student of SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta. The result of the analysis show that there is an increase in the reading skill of SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta student relative well. Indicator criteria analysis. Indicator 1. Get to know. Implementation aspect. Able to know the shape or symbol of letters in interactive flipbook. Able to recognize letter sound. Able to identify word, syllables, and letter. Indicator number 2. Understand. Able to analyze symbol and letter sound in interactive flipbook. Able to understand the use of letter in word. Able to decompose a word into syllables. Indicator 3. Distinguishing. Able to distinguishing letters of the alphabet. Able to understand the letter element that make up a word. Able to analyze the use of letter in a word appropriately. Indicator number 5. 4. Recite. Able to mention letter or word in the interactive flipbook. Able to compose a word. Able to pronounce the accuracy of a word or sentence. Student skill in reading using the SAS method. The beginning reading skill of 10 students using the interactive flipbook based SAS method can be seen in figure. Interpretation level description. 5 for excellent, 4 for good, 3 for medium, 2 for simple, and 1 for less. Improving the result of beginning reading skill with interactive flipbook based SAS method. The use of the SAS method combined with interactive flipbook media is an interesting and effective combination in improving early reading skill. It was proven in a study conducted at SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta with a total of 10 low-grade students who were the research subject of reading skill. The analysis showed that 20% of all students who participated in this research activity obtained very good skill improvement. Then 50% of the total 10 students obtained good beginning reading skill. So that with the use of this interactive flipbook-based SAS method can help students have motivation in learning to read, and with the collaboration of method with this media, the beginning reading skill of low-grade students of SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta have increased. Conclusion. In an effort to improve the reading skill of low-grade students, SDN Pajang 3 Surakarta used the SAS Structural Analytic Synthetic method, which is considered the right method to accomplish the learning objective. This method involves structured steps such as dividing sentence, words, and syllables and recombining them gradually. The application of this method has been proven to gradually improve the reading skill of low-grade students, especially when supported by adequate and creative media such as interactive flipbook. In applying it, teachers need to have high creativity, skill, and patience in order to utilize it properly. With this, it can be concluded that the application of the interactive flipbook-based method to improve student beginning reading skill in the lower grade of SDN Pajangji Surakarta received a positive response and had a good impact on student reading learning. That's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.